What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over SPX, $1.32, down 7.6 on a day. Looks like ABC correction. Market cap 1.23 billion, 25 volumes, 27 million. As you can see, we have 5 waves off this low. This is only a 3-way move, typical of a B. So highest probability we come down in a wave C, probably down towards $1.19, the 61.8 or $1.12, 78.6. This $1.12 breaks, then things become more bearish. If we see a straight push from here, which I think is more unlikely, then you would have to count that as 5 waves. But it looks like 3 waves in a B. And looking at Bitcoin, does look like it's going to pull back a little bit more. So look for a bounce from this zone and then continue. If we look at our next chart, this is the daily chart. We do have an inverse head and shoulders. So if we can come back, pull back, and then bounce just like this, let me show you guys. Little something like this, and then bounce. You got that nice inverse head and shoulders. You can take a measurement from the bottom of the pattern to the neckline to the breakout, and that can take you back up towards those local highs, back up to about $2.16. That's what I'm looking at for SPX. We're looking above $20 minimum in the bull run, potentially up to 50. Some are calling for 100, but I think $50 is very plausible in this bull run for SPX. Once we get going, we've got the rate cuts, which is a good sign. We're currently in 3 trades. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, take 30 seconds of your time. Sign up to Bitfinex. There's no strings attached. Once you sign up, this is one of the top exchanges. All you have to do is send me email, and I will send you the link to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including SPX. There we go. All your favorite projects, including SPX. My trade signals, we recently crushed on Ethereum, and we're in 3 other trades, ongoing trades right now. Yours free with the 30-second sign up to Bitfinex. That's all you have to do. No strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.